Speeding, excessive speed, or inappropriate speed for road conditions is an aggravating factor in approximately one-third of all fatal road crashes in developed countries, including Australia. In New South Wales, Australia, approximately one-fifth of drivers involved in speeding-related crashes are under the age of 25 years, despite representing only 14% of licence holders. Therefore, the aim of the present research was to test the utility of a number of cognitive-based training methods to improve young drivers' speed management. Since feedback and self-explanation have shown promise in improving young drivers' speed management in laboratory-based studies, this study tested their effectiveness in relation to this aim during an on-road drive. In addition, this study examined the effectiveness of an advanced driver assistance system in the form of an auditory alert when the driver exceeded the speed limit in relation to the same aim. 75 young drivers completed the research. The young drivers were divided into 5 groups. All groups completed a practice drive followed by a baseline drive where they either received feedback during the drive in the case of the audio alert group or following their drive in the form of verbal feedback about speeding behaviour. In the case of the control group, no feedback was provided. Participants then completed a second drive immediately following the baseline drive, and finally one more drive 1 week post the baseline drive. Performance in terms of mean speed throughout the 2 test drives were examined in 2 different speed zones, 50 and 80 kilometres. The results revealed during the test drive immediately post-training, young drivers exposed to the auditory alert when they exceeded the speed limit during the baseline drive drove at a higher average speed than any other group in the 50 kilometre zone. In the 80 kilometre zone, the results were similar. However, this time there was a clear difference in terms of the optimum training method to reduce speeding behaviour, which was the combined feedback group. 1 week post-training, the results were consistent. In the 50 kilometre zone, the combined feedback group had a lower average speed compared to all other groups, and in the 80 kilometre zone, combined feedback, self-explanation, and combined feedback with self-explanation had the lowest average speed. The control and, alarmingly, the audio alert group drove the fastest. The results highlight that not all cognitive-based training methods, such as feedback and self-explanation, are equal in terms of their effect on speed management. The results also highlight the detrimental effect of some advanced driver-assisted systems, in particular the system that provides audio alerts when the speed is exceeded. Such a system was found to increase young drivers' tendency to speed, which based on the road accident statistics could have a devastating effect on young drivers' road safety. This research was conducted by Oleksandra Molloy, Brett Molesworth and Ann Williamson from the School of Aviation at UNSW Australia. A write-up of this research can be found in the journal Transportation Research, Part F. A big thanks to all the participants who volunteered their time to assist with the research and the Australian Research Council for their support.